Hey guys, if you're looking for the best affiliate programs to join, then you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to share 7 of the best affiliate programs out there. These programs are great for beginners, intermediate, and advanced affiliate marketers. First on the list is Amazon Associates. This is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there, and for good reason. With Amazon Associates, you can promote millions of products from the world's largest online retailer. Plus, the commission rates are quite competitive, so you can make a decent amount of money with this program. Another great affiliate program is ClickBank. This platform specializes in digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software. The commission rates for ClickBank products can be quite high, which means you can earn a significant amount of money with each sale. If you're interested in promoting physical products, then consider joining the Share a Sale affiliate program. This platform features thousands of merchants in variety of niches, so you are sure to find something that fits your audience. Plus, the commission rates are quite good, so you can make a decent income with this program. Next up is the eBay Partner Network. This affiliate program allows you to promote eBay listings, which can be a great fit if you are in a niche that focuses on second-hand goods. The commission rates are quite good, and there are plenty of tools and resources available to help you succeed. If you are in the health and wellness niche, then consider joining the Awin affiliate program. This platform features a variety of health and wellness products, including supplements, fitness equipment, and more. The commission rates are quite good, and there are plenty of resources available to help you promote these products effectively. For those in the fashion niche, the Reward Style affiliate program is a great choice. This platform allows you to promote fashion and beauty products from a variety of products. The commission rates are quite good, and there are plenty of tools available to help you create visually appealing content. Finally, for those in the web hosting niche, the Bluehost affiliate program is a great option. Bluehost is a well-respected and popular web hosting provider, so you'll be promoting a quality product. Plus, the commission rates are quite competitive. So there you have it, guys. These are 7 of the best affiliate programs out there that you can join today. Remember, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to choose